All truths are easy to understand once they are discovered. The point is to discover themselves. It is written by, it is the thought of Galileo Galilei. Children, Galileo Galilei was famous scientist. Who is Galileo Galilei? He is the father of planet. He is called as father of all the planet because he is the father of modern physics also. Galileo Galilei. So he tells all truths are easy to understand once they are discovered. The point is to discover them. Means truth is something which is hidden. All the truth, when it is discovered, then only it is easy to understand. So point is you have to discover new things each and every time. Whatever you see in life, you have to ask questions regarding that. If you not ask question and you go through all the things, then discoveries will stop. See, Galileo Galilei, his full name is Galileo di Vincenzio. He was the Italian astronomer, physicist and engineer, sometimes describing as polymath, and he is the father of modern physics. Now, see he is the first astronomer to discover the 4 largest moons that orbit the planet. Don't write these things, only listen. And he discovered, when NASA sent a mission to Jupiter in 1990, it was called Galileo in honor of the famed astronomer. And he also spotted that there is 4 moons in the Venus. So these moons are called as Galileo moon. Like we see one moon, but there is many moons in the planet. And sun spotted the Earth, that is also discovered by Galileo. Okay, children, now see this. This is a picture. This is a picture. You see this picture. What is the picture? It is, see, you can see la, thumbs up. You can see the picture clearly? Okay. So in the first picture, there is one boy who is looking surprisingly to hatching a egg of hen. So my question is, only see the first boy's picture. My question is, if you see this type of thing, what will be in your mind? When you will see something unusual, something different, what thing struck in your mind? Write in chat box. What thing struck in your mind when you will see this picture? अपने आप को उस जगह पे रख के इमेजिन करो, आपने कुछ ऐसा अलग सा देखा और दिस इज नॉट नॉर्मल एक्चुअल, तो आप कैसा फील करोगे? ओके, one person unmute, Urvi, unmute yourself and give me answer. If you see something like this, what thing coming in your mind? Anyone can give me answer?
Surprised.
Surprised, and you will not search how it is happened. You should be questioned. There should be one question ki how it is done. If you not question, we will not get find out solutions, right? How it is happened? There should be questions in everything. Okay. Now second number question. Okay. We will shock, but we have to ask how it is possible from this small egg, how the bird come and then how it grow. It should be one question in and every point. which you see, there should be question. If you ask, your problem will solve, and if you not ask, बड़े होने के बाद ये प्रॉब्लम्स और ये जो आपने जाना नहीं इन चीजों को, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है ना, दैट वी शुड नो. अगर हम क्वेश्चन नहीं करेंगे तो कभी भी वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होगी. नाउ सेकंड पिक्चर, अ गर्ल इज again little surprisingly and little confused watching the rising sun. It is very simple, right? It is very simple, but whenever you see this, you thought that why sun is coming from east. कभी सोचा है आपने? नहीं ना? We have to think. I am telling, think innovatively. This is my topic of this chapter, asking questions. Each and everything, whatever you see, you should ask question and find out. Now Google is there. Whatever question is there, you can type in the Google, you can speak in the Google, and Google will give you answer. Right? Now, see, it was a fine morning. A boy was sitting under an apple tree in a farm and reading a book. Suddenly, an apple fell on the ground from the tree. The boy looked up from his book. Something struck his mind. Why did the apple not bounce back and return to the tree? What held the apple to the ground? These questions started going round and round in his head. He spent years thinking, studying, and carrying out experiments to find answers to these questions. This is how he discovered the law of gravity that explained why the apple did not bounce back and return to the tree. Children, this is the real life story of whom? बता सकते हो किसकी स्टोरी है ये? You can say who discovered? Yes,
Thomas Edison.
real life story.
Thomas Edison.
No, beta. This is the discovery of. This is the story of Sir Isaac Newton. Newton, who discovered the law of gravity. There is a gravity in the floor. Sonu Jain, can you hear my voice clearly? You can hear my voice clearly? Are you hear my voice clearly? Everyone can hear, na? Okay. So, this is the real life story of Sir Isaac Newton, who discovered the law of gravity. Now, see the next picture. Long time ago, surgeries were a horrible matter. There was nothing to make the patients unconscious. You can imagine the terrible pain and suffering they had to go through. There was a doctor who was deeply disturbed by the suffering of these patients. Is there any way that we could put an end to this? Is there anything that would make the patient sleep and not feel the pain while we conduct the surgery? These were the questions that this doctor started asking. He, along with two his friends, tried testing different chemicals by smelling them. One evening, they smelled something called chloroform. To being with it made them feel very cheerful and merry. Then finally it put them to sleep. When they woke up the next morning, the doctor knew he had found the answer of his question. Children, this is the story of Sir James Simpson. Sir James Simpson, who was Scottish doctor who discovered chloroform. Think, without chloroform, if doctor operate us, how the suffering and pain we will feel, you know, because chloroform is there, so the work of doctor was so easy. So thanks to the Sir James Simpson. Okay, what happened here? No, ma'am. My voice is cutting, Jaimin. Are you clear? My voice is clear. Everyone can hear my voice? Okay. Now, next point is, see the picture. There was a boy who loved reading books. Then one day something very sad happened. The boy lost his eyesight in an accident. He missed reading books. It made him very unhappy and sick at heart. He realized that this is how everybody who could not see felt. How can I make it possible for people like me to read again? Is there a way to read without to use one's eyes? He kept asking himself these questions till he found an answer. He created a special language which could be used through the sense of touch. This language also makes it possible for those who cannot see to write. This language is known as Braille. Children, Braille is the language which used by whom? By whom Braille language is used?
Ma'am,
कौन
Louis
Braille?
Braille.
हाँ बेटा बोलो, जागृति मकवाना.
And those who
Ma'am,
can't
Louis
see.
Braille.
I'm blind.
Blind people, very good. Blind people use the Braille language, and who discovered this language? Louis Braille. Yeah, this is the story of Louis Braille. Now, few questions I will ask. Before that, I will stop recording. The lesson outcome, what we learned from this lesson. The spirit of inquiry makes us forever curious to know more. It makes us question everything and look for answers. It makes the world around us a continuously unfolding mystery. Children, Newton, Simpson, and Braille achieved their goals because of their strong spirit of inquiry. Every important discovery and innovation which has changed our lives forever started with a question. If we accept the things around us just as they are and never ask questions, there will be no progress or development. You know that in all likelihood, our prehistoric ancestors discovered fire by chance. They must have then asked questions about its uses. Had they not done so, they would have remained in the primitive state forever. The spirit of inquiry makes us venture into the unknown and gather new experiences. It increases our knowledge and makes us thirsty for more. It is the spirit of inquiry that helps us grow emotionally and intellectually. It makes the world an exciting place, full of mysteries that we are meant to solve. In the process of asking questions and solving these mysteries, we discover new things about ourselves. Hope you understand now. Let me stop.